Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new AI coding agent specifically for programmers for building full stack coding applications. It's actually developed by IBM, which is a very powerful company. If you directly type IBM Bob AI in Google, the very first link which comes, this one, bob.ibm.com. So it does provide you with a free trial where you can actually try this software for completely free. It has all the premium AI models. It is similar to Cursor where you download the software inside your system. You have the download button, you click on get free trial. You simply log in with your Google account. I have already done that. I simply downloaded this software inside my machine. So it actually behaves as a desktop software. It is cross-platform. You can download this for Windows, Mac, Linux. The interface is like similar to VS Code. Directly in the chat prompt, you write whatever application you want to develop. So it has various modes. It has the agent mode, plan mode, ask mode. So from this, in the free plan itself, you can basically build out quality, free, unlimited applications. So right here, I simply tell the I want a image to PDF web app in browser. So create a index.html file with all features. So you don't need to write a long prompt, simply write a basic prompt here. After that, the AI will start generating the code for you. So once it get completed, you will get the actual application ready. So now you can see that it's actually creating the basic document. After that, it will start creating your application. So these are the permissions you can actually provide them. I like executing terminal commands, read, write, execute everything. So if you're doing it for the very first time, it will just ask you as it prepares your application. So I think that's very good software, a desktop app where you can actually create your applications. It's actually kind of a coding agent where you simply write the prompt. After that, the AI will take over and create your applications. So as you can see, it is going through different stages, laying out the page. After that, the code will be generated. So in the free plan, it provides you about 40 requests. So if you check out my dashboard right here, I simply log in with my Google account. So as you can even log in with your GitHub account as well. So it's quite easy. So once you log in, you get 40 credits in the free plan. So you can log in with different Google accounts. So as you can see, my free trial ended on will end on August 14th. So for every Google account, you can try this with multiple accounts to get unlimited access. So so you can see that the pro plan starts with 1500 rupees. So in the free plan, you get 40 credits, which is more than enough to actually try out the actual software. So no credit card is needed. You simply configure just I want to activate the free trial. After that, it activates it. So as you can see that image to PDF converter, the application is ready. You can click on the open button. So it is actually now writing the actual code to the Dix file. So once it get completed, it will automatically open your application. So you can just see right here the amount of credits which are consumed. So you get 270,000 tokens. Almost 20,000 tokens have been consumed by each request, which is more than enough to actually create. So as you can see, writing takes time. So as soon as it completes, you will get see the code also in the left hand corner of the screen, and also the application will open directly. You can even download the file as a HTML file. So as you can see right here, your file will be downloaded. So this is the actual application which looks something like this. We have a drag and drop interface where you select a bunch of images to convert the images into PDF. So this is a professional looking application that it has made. So this is just the interface. This application will not work. This is just the HTML page, the actual landing page. Now it's actually constructing the actual logic of the application. So now as you can see on the left hand side, it has actually generated all the code. It's almost 700 lines of code. So it's now asking whether you approve or not. You can approve, click on approve. So now the code has been successfully written, and you can see that it generated the description, whatever application that it has made, the features inside the application. So it simply tells you that it requires internet to only to load the JS PDF library on first generate PDF click. After that it works offline. So from this now you can even start a new task as well. This task is completed. You can click on the open file button. So this is your overall application which is completed, as you can see that. So click on new task. As you can see, you can ask any kind of questions. Let's suppose I say top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. It can be a coding related question, it can be any question. So it will respond to you top 10 frameworks of Node.js, as you can see right here inside your actual prompt. It will list out the top 10 frameworks. So it will simply will save you a lot of time as well. It will generate a nice little description as well, the top 10 frameworks, and it's quite free and unlimited. Great alternative to Cursor or ChatGPT, Claude, or any other premium tools where you pay money, but this is completely free and unlimited. You can build out all such applications in a matter of time. So I can simply say build a full stack React PDF editor and run the app. So you simply type the prompt, I want a full stack React PDF editor app, and run the app. So you click on approve. So it will first of all go through the description. So you can see that permissions you can go through. You can allow all the permissions. Just tick all these boxes and auto approve. So now what happens, it will not ask you every time you need to approve. So these are different agent modes, ask mode. So this is a great software, AI software by IBM. Definitely check this out, and they have this free plan which is more than enough. It's an AI coding agent. It also works on the command line as well. It's called as Bob shell. You can even actually use it on the terminal as well. So if you don't want the IDE version, you can directly use it in the terminal as well. So now it will actually make a full stack React application. First of all, it will check the Node.js version, install the necessary modules, and then create a full stack React application. So I showed you step by step how to configure this. It's quite easy. You download the exe file. Just log in with your Google account, click on download, and simply download for Windows. You can try this free for 30 days with 40 credits, which are more than enough. You can try this with multiple Google accounts to actually try this for free and unlimited without paying. So if you do want to enroll, the pro plan starts with $20, which is very basic plan. So definitely check this out.